Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the bike into a ready state. Warm the engine for 3 to 5 minutes so valves and fuel metering act normally. Once done, inspect and either clean or replace a dirty air filter because intake restriction chokes high RPM power. Next, make sure the spark plug gap and ignition are correct. A weak spark limits top-end revs. Finally, adjust throttle cable free play so the throttle opens predictably. These moves immediately improve usable RPM range and response. Once the basics are set, you tune the systems that let the engine reach and hold higher RPM. First, adjust idle and throttle linkage so the carburation or fuel injection responds smoothly through the midband. Jerky response drops attainable revs. Then check and set valve clearance to the manufacturer spec because incorrect lash blunts high RPM power. Also inspect chain and sprockets. A tight, aligned drivetrain prevents power loss and lets you safely pull to higher RPM without chain hop or slip. To finish, you perform a controlled test ride in a safe area, progressively opening the throttle to observe the actual RPM ceiling and watch for misfire or overheating. If you still need more usable revs, consider an ECU remap or lighter clutch springs, but only where legal and after ensuring reliability. If the bike stutters or won't rev, roll back to stock settings and recheck spark, fuel delivery, and valve clearances. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals the root cause and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.